Ready, please.
The Jowai Polytechnic, which was established in 2001, on Wednesday hosted its inaugural Technophilia exhibition showcasing art, culture and innovation. The event was graced by the presence of ADC D.V. Lingdo as the chief guest. Addressing the function, she emphasized the importance of continuous learning, stating that there is no limit to knowledge, learning and achievement. She encouraged the attendees to think outside the box, foster creativity and communicate effectively through hard work and teamwork.
As a student, you learn even from a young boy or a girl. If you want to learn, you can even learn from a young boy or a girl. So, learning, there is no limit to learning. As you move, as you step forward, you'll find that you learn more and more.
On popular demand, DD News Meghalaya is increasing its bulletin